Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you. So this is a review video and I'm doing such a video for the first time on my channel and I'm kind of excited about it. And I'm going to review Maggi's new launch, that is their fried rice instant spice mix. I have two flavors with me right now. The first flavor is chili garlic fried rice and the second flavor is classic veg fried rice. But before reviewing, let's just get into the video and see how do we have to cook this one. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so that was the recipe and it was quite easy, right? Now let us just dive into the reviews. Okay, so number one is packaging. This is how the packaging is. It comes in this big plastic packet. It has 5 instant spice mixes in one packet. So this is how the spice mixes were there in this packet. There are 4 right here and the 5th one is here that I've already used. So this is one sachet and it has all the instructions written on the back of the packaging. And also it has this attractive photo in the front, and yeah, pretty much it. This is about the packaging. It's not very fancy, not very basic. Point number 2 is price. So the price for the classic veg fried rice flavor is rupees 50 for 5 packets, and classic garlic fried rice is also rupees 50. So it's not bad because you're getting 5 instant spice mix in one packet, which is 10 rupees for one spice mix, which is not bad because you get a lot of fried rice with that. So the price is pretty decent, I think. Point number 3, does it claim what it says? So in this sachet, it claims that you have to put 4.5 cups of boiled rice in one sachet, right? So one spice mix isn't enough for 450 grams of rice, which is 4.5 cups of rice. I think it just tastes bland when we put one spice mix in 4.5 cups of rice. So what I did was I just put 2 cups of rice in one spice mix, and then the taste was decent. But then when I prepared the other flavor, that is the classic veg fried rice flavor, I just put 1 cup of rice in one spice mix, and then the taste was amazing. So yeah, clearly it does not claim what it says on the packet, that it serves 4 people. I believe it just serves 2 people or maybe 1 if you have good appetite. Next, it says that it gets ready in just 5 minutes, just like Maggi gets prepared in 2 minutes. You got the point, right? It does not get ready in 5 minutes. It takes a lot of time. You take around 10 minutes to boil the rice. You take half an hour to cut the vegetables. Then if everything is prepared, you just have to mix everything, which is like really easy. But the vegetables take time to get cooked, which is around 10 minutes, and then you have to put the rice and mix everything and let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. So it takes around 15 minutes to cook everything, and the preparation time is alag se. So 5 minutes में नहीं होता ये ready. Now the next thing is the taste, which is very important, and I know a lot of people are here for the review of the fried rice. Ta-da! So here I have the chili garlic fried rice in this blue bowl. The color is a little orangey, and now let us just taste how this is. I do not like capsicum, so I'll just take a bite. I already had this one in the morning, and honestly this is very tasty, like really tasty. It has this nice tangy flavor to it. I don't know इतने से मसाले से इतना tasty fried rice कैसे बन गए, and this is like really yummy. The tanginess, the spice level is just perfect. And also let me just tell you कि मैंने इसके अंदर extra मसाला ऐड किया है, मसालाs as in just salt. And also I was going to add some mirchi as well, but then I just decided कि रुक जाओ, let me just taste how this is. So yeah, this is great, and I can't stop eating this. Also it is just so easy to prepare. अगर आपको सब्जियां कटी हुई मिल जाए और boiled rice पड़े हुए मिल जाए, then it's very easy to prepare. Very easy and healthy as well, because Maggi is not healthy because उसमें काफी सारा मैदा है. Okay, so let us review the next flavor, that is the classic veg fried rice. Now this has no color, honestly. It looks somewhat like this, if you can see this. I will still insert a picture somewhere on the screen. Now let us just taste this. ये तो मैंने सुबह भी taste नहीं किया था. Honestly, I couldn't stop eating this. This was the first time I was tasting this. Chili garlic fried rice तो मैंने सुबह भी taste कर लिए थे. But this is so good, like very tasty. This almost tastes like Maggi, like not totally but thoda sa, and it is not spicy at all. Let me just tell you कि classic fried rice में I used just 1 cup of rice. That is why the flavor is so strong and I am loving this one. But in the garlic flavor fried rice I used 2 cups of rice, इसीलिए the flavor is little mild, but still I love both of these. They both have different flavors. They are very tasty, not tastier than Maggi but definitely healthier than it. But I am not comparing Maggi and fried rice here. Yeah, and it is also very easy to make, and if you have guests at your home, or also if you just want to have fried rice, you can definitely make this. There are no sauces involved, just some vegetables, rice and the spice mix. So yeah, let's just conclude the mini review here. I hope you liked the video and my review. If you try any of these flavors, do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.